Larry the Photo Guy here. We're going to go over the settings for taking fireworks photography today. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to start out. We're going to go over equipment, settings, and procedure. Alright, for the equipment you will need a camera, a zoom lens, a tripod, and a little remote. It can be a wired remote or not. If you don't have a remote, we can always use the shutter button, but it may be a little shaky. Alright, so what we're going to do, that's being the equipment, what we're going to do is we're going to come into our settings. We're going to come to our settings. We're going to hit the menu, and we want to make sure we have it. We can do it in RAW or JPEG, whichever you choose. We're going to come down, white balance. We want to set the white balance to sunlight, unless you have a Kelvin option. If you have the Kelvin option, then you go in and you'll put it to around 4500 Kelvin. That'll allow it to pick up the greens, the blues, the reds, yellows, well, all the colors. Alright, and once you get that set, what you want to do is you want to come in here, or you want to go down. You want to make sure that your active delighting is turned off. You want the long exposure noise reduction turned off. ISO settings, you want to make sure you turn off your auto ISO if it's on. You go and you'll turn it off. Alright, now you'll go down to your remote. What you want to do is you want to go to remote, you want to put your quick response remote on. Alright. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to set the shutter speed. We're going to go all the way down past 30, and you will see bulb, or you'll see time. What this allows you to do is when you press your finger on the shutter release and you hold it, you can hold it for as long as you like, and when you release, it will take the exposure. The reason why you want to do this is because in order to catch 2 or 3 fireworks exploding on your screen, or whatever you want to get, as many fireworks as you want to get into your screen, you want to be able to hold it. The longer you hold it, for as long as you hold it, whatever light shows up on the sensor will show up on your photo. So once we have that done, what you want to do is you want to figure out where you're going. You want to focus. You want to do a focus on whatever it is you're after. You can do a manual focus or what have you. Make sure you got your distance and put it on manual focus and not autofocus. You do this, you can focus on whatever you want to focus on to. Once you get your focus set, you should be all set to do this. Alright, once you get it going, you will aim at your fireworks. You will take your remote button, like this here. You press the remote, it'll take the picture. Press it again, and it'll release. It's as simple as that. The reason why you turned off your noise reduction is because when you turn that on, forever how long you hold down the shutter is the length of time it will take before you can take another photo. Alright, so that being it, you guys go out there, have fun, be safe, and enjoy the fireworks. If you have any further questions, drop it down in the comments and I will get back to you. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode of Larry the Photo Guy.